Welcome to chainandsprockets.co.uk, one of the UK's leading suppliers of motorcycles and quad parts. This is a chain and sprocket kit for the popular KTM 65SX motocross bike. It fits all model years from 2004 to 2018. For sprockets, we use the JT brand, which is the world's largest producer of aftermarket heavy-duty sprockets. The front sprocket is made from chromium alloy steel and the rear is from aluminium 7075 T6 grade. The sprockets in this kit are the standard teeth size, the front being 14 and the rear 48. The drive chain is supplied by DID, made in Japan. They are the original parts supplier to all the main motorcycle manufacturers and are commonly used on the racetrack. The kit contains a DID 420D chain. It comes pre-lubricated. The connecting link is a race-developed split link. This enables the chain to be easily fitted and removed without a chain tool. This chain is available in an all-black finish. Full chain fitting instructions are supplied with every chain. Need more data? Please don't hesitate to log on to www.chainandsprockets.co.uk. Thank you for watching.